Nice to see you, Jersey. There's a really big spot here at C4 on the left. I might start there because it's a little easier. And so I'm going to be on his left mid-neck. I'm going to see if I can make an adjustment on it, okay? So let's get started. I want to adjust this spot right here. And Kira, come touch this. You'll feel the muscle knot right here. Do you feel that tension spot?
Yeah.
Bring him this way just a little bit. A little bit more. Got it. And he'll probably lick and chew perhaps. There he goes. So that's like a sign of the parasympathetic nervous system responding and a little bit of a stress release. Dogs will go, and horses do, or they sometimes yawn a little bit.